Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Okay, and then you can see this is search button. You just clicked, then enter your model number B760M DS3H DDR4 Generation 5. Then hit enter. Then click to product. The title of the model number. Then click to support. Then click on support. Audio driver, scroll down. You can see this is audio driver. So click to download. It's downloading here. So you can see here last 165 MB and 165 MB, and just open it. And then double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting driver to your system. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds, it will close automatically and this is installed. But then close, this is installed. Chipset. So this is, then click to download. And then open after downloaded, and double click to run for the installation. Now you can see this is installing a chipset driver. And then close it. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and click on download button. So it is downloaded LAN driver. You can see, open, double click to launch for the installation. Then click to yes. Now you can see this LAN driver is installing. So it is closed means this is install. VGA means LAN driver, sorry, why display driver, graphic card driver, and click to download. And just click to download, it will start downloading. You can see like that graphic card driver, and this is 770 size. Then downloaded, then just open and double click to exe. Then click to yes. You can see this is installing. Wait few seconds. This is graphic card driver. So it will install. After that, automatically close it and then close it.